Cardi B is another variation on a Bronx tale where a woman gets tired of being with the wrong man and steps out to free herself. During that process, she discovers her hidden talent and begins to make career strides to stardom. Vocali's Almanzar, Cardi B's real name, has come into the rapper genre with full force, topping Beyoncé's popularity to have 5 top 10 singles in the same week on the Billboard Hot R&B/Hip Hop chart. In 2016, she signed a deal with Atlantic Records, giving her the acclaim she deserved and cementing her place in the modern rap/hip hop genre. Her break to financial freedom began after leaving what was, according to her, a controlling relationship and became a stripper. That first year, she took home more than $27,000, definitely a step in the right financial direction. But she was intuitive enough to realize that her talents could reach millions of people on social media, primarily Vine and Instagram. Her number of Instagram followers stands at almost 121 million. But her videos were not all about stripping. She passed along advice and shared her experiences on relationships and the transition from dependency to independence. This initial success resulted in an offer from VH1 to appear in their Love and Hip Hop New York series, where she became a member of the main cast for seasons 6 and 7. It followed the lives of women working in hip-hop, which Cardi B was now considered to be a part of. She would put out a couple of mixtapes, Gangsta BCH Music, Volumes 1 and 2, that would lead to that Atlantic Records contract in 2017. She would then be featured on the Bruno Mars Finesse album and video, only furthering her international exposure as a hip-hop artist and rapper to be reckoned with. In 2016, Cardi B's net worth was estimated at around $400,000. In early 2017, that number jumped to roughly $1.5 million, and now it sits at more than $40 million, multiplying her 2016 net worth by 100. If you think that she is a rapper without a plan, you should learn more about her. Those early years where she was making just $27,000 was part of a plan to save $100,000 by the time she was 25. That record deal with Atlantic increased her net worth by $1.1 million in a single month, matching that $100,000 goal and topping it by a factor of 10. Her net worth numbers are certain to climb over the next few years, as she not only has accumulated a lot of hardware, including a number of Grammys, but she can now be found on the YouTube platform, where many of her videos have gone over the 1 billion view mark. She hasn't forgotten about her Instagram followers, and that number can be expected to grow as well. One thing that is worth noting here about fame, fortune, and what success does to people is that Cardi B had a plan from day one, and even though she has met and exceeded her goal, there is no sign of her letting up. She continues to work hard, and between getting continuing exposure from working with some of the top names in the music industry and her growing brand recognition, there seems to be no limit to her potential. All she has to do at this point is to not forget where she came from. She has a good sense of money and finances, and she has a long history of being committed to achieving her goals. Less than a decade ago, she learned that you can get out of being controlled and change things so you are in control. But there's no indication she's a controlling person, so she has achieved another life goal, finding balance. It is something many men and women who have risen to stardom faster and have made more money could never find. Cardi B is the recipient of numerous accolades, including a Grammy Award, 8 Billboard Music Awards, including 3 consecutive Top Rap Female Artist wins, 5 Guinness World Records, 6 American Music Awards, 4 MTV Video Music Awards, 6 BET Awards, including Album of the Year, and 14 BET Hip Hop Awards. Invasion of Privacy, which made her the first female rapper to win the Grammy Award for Best Rap Album as a solo artist, became the first female rap album in 15 years to be nominated for a Grammy Award for Album of the Year. Time included her on their annual list of the 100 most influential people in the world in 2018. She received the honor for the second time in 2020, making her the first female songwriter to win the award twice. In 2020, Cardi B became the first female rapper to be named Woman of the Year at the Billboard Women in Music Awards. In June 2021, Cardi B revealed she was pregnant with her second child, a boy. She gave birth to her first son on September 4, 2021. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.